Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all safe and sound. According to our today's lesson planner, we have part D, question number 1, and part E, question number 1 and 2. Let's begin with our part D, question number 1, which is use the following words in sentences of your own. Some of the words are given in the box, and what we are going to do, we will use them in our proper sentences. But remember, we are not going to use them at the beginning of the sentences. Because some of the words over here, we know that who, which, when, why, and what. These are the words that we always use in the beginning to make a question. But in this question, we are not going to use these words in the beginning. Instead, we will use them in the middle. Let's see what is the first word. The first word is who. Let's start from the first word and let's see how I have made some of the sentences using these words. You can also make your own sentences if you have some better example. Let's see the first one, who. He is the gentleman who gave me a lift. I have used the word who in the middle instead of in the beginning. He is the gentleman who gave me a lift. Then the next word is which. He gave me a new pen which I lost again. The next is when. They scolded him when he was late. Why did they scold him? Because he was late. Whether. I don't know whether she is going or not. I don't know whether she is going or not. Why. He did not tell us why he was there. What. We have no idea what they will do now. And the last one is whenever. The baby cries whenever he is hungry. Alright, so these were some of the sentences, some of the examples that I've written over here. We have used these words that are given in the boxes in the middle instead of using it in the beginning. Let's move towards our second question. Now we are on part E, which is related to prefix and suffix. Before starting the question, let us make sure that what is a prefix and what is a suffix. A prefix is a word or a syllable which is placed in front of a word to add to or change its meaning. What is a prefix? A prefix is a word that is written in front, or you can say at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. While suffix is a letter or a syllable that is added at the end of a word to make another word or to change its meaning. Alright, for example, some of the prefix and suffix are given over here like re, x, dis, d. And suffixes are given here full, ly, ed and er. You can see over here load is the word. If I will add prefix re in the beginning, it will be changed into reload. So these are the prefixes, some of the letters or symbols that I have used in the beginning, some of the letters or words. And let's see what I have used, the suffixes that are used in the end, like full or ly. Cheer was the word, so I have used full, so it will be cheerful. Ly was the suffix and clear was the word, so it will be clearly. So suffixes and prefixes change the meaning of the original word when we add them with another word. Let's see what we have in question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 is make new words by using one of the prefixes above. We are on prefixes now. 4 of the prefixes are given and some of the words are written over here. We will use prefixes in the beginning to change their meanings. Let's see trust. So what will be the prefix that will be used with it? Distrust. Trust and distrust. I cannot use extrust or detrust or retrust. So the prefix that will be used with trust will be distrust. Tent, extent. Part, depart. Courage, discourage. Late, relate. Port, export or report. Alright, so let me tell you the meanings now. Distrust means to not having trust on someone. Extent means a clear area that covers something. Depart means to leave somewhere, a place you can say, or to leave from somewhere. Discourage means making someone feeling less confident. Relate means comparing two things or more than two things. Report means a detailed study of something. And the export means to sell something from one country or from one place to another place. Okay? So these were the prefixes. Now we have question number 2, which is make new words by using one of the suffixes. Now we are on suffixes: full, ly, ed, and er. Let's change the words using suffixes at the end. Peace will be peaceful. Safe will be safely. Dance will be dancer. I have used the suffix er in the end. Big will be bigger. Shame will be shameful. And in the end, happy will be happily. So these were the words that we took today, and do remember one thing, that whenever we add the prefix or the suffix at the beginning or at the end of the word, it always changes its meaning. Alright, so hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening.